Hello, music and audio engineers. My name is Leke from Explosive Multimedia. In this video, we are going to be looking at the topic equalizer, and because we understand how complex and important this topic is to you, we have decided to make it a series of video. I hope you will learn one or two things in this video. In addition to that, we are going to be bringing one of the friends of the house by the name Engineer Ashao Olu from Breadmark Production to help us look into the details of equalization. If you are one of our old subscribers, please keep sharing, keep commenting, and keep liking the video. And if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and you'll be able to have access to our videos. And if you would like to know more about equalization proper, you can subscribe to our master's class by sending a mail.
In a simple terms, EQ is a tool used to cut or boost frequency spectrum or audio signal to achieve desired results in audio or music production.
Alright, from our definition of EQ, we understand that EQ is used to boost or cut frequency response. And we know that frequency response that is audible to human hearing it ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. So your ability to know the behavioral pattern of this range of frequency response is what makes you a good engineer. So this range is divided into 3, and if you want to go further, you can add 2 other more. It's divided into low, mid, and high. So for example, I have a graphical EQ with me, and if we were to do the division, we have from 20 Hz to 63 Hz as our deep low, then from 63 to around 250 as our low, then from 250 to something around 8 Hz as our low mid, then from 1K to 4 kilohertz as our high mid, then from 4 kilohertz to something around 16 kilohertz as our high. So your ability to understand this range of frequency to suit your desired goal is what makes you a better engineer on your board. There are different types of EQ, but in this video we are going to be focusing on 3 main EQ we have around: the graphic EQ, parametric EQ, and the semi-parametric EQ. Graphic EQ is designed in such a way that you can easily touch a particular frequency within a bandwidth or frequency range and adjust, while you are necessarily not touching every other frequency in that range. However, in parametric EQ, it is designed in such a way that the frequency range is designed that you can boost or cut within that range. While you are pushing a particular frequency, every other one is adjusting to suit the purpose. And it is common in our analog mixer. Most of all the analog mixer we have has this particular EQ. You have the high that is mostly being specified, then the low, and we have the mid that you can switch between a particular range. Then the semi-parametric is the combination of the two. It is more flexible. It allows you to work within a frequency range, and at the same time pick a particular frequency that you want to actually cut or push more than the other. So I hope you have learned one or two things in this illustration.
All right. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the part 2 for more exciting topic. Thank you.